Alright, welcome everyone. Thank you for stopping back by. Well, if you've seen any of my videos before, thank you for stopping back by. If it is your first time here, welcome newcomer. This is Greenlight Gadgets, aka GLG. Oh wait, I said that backwards. Oh well. My name is Ian Hanners, and I am your host of this wonderful show. I'm releasing videos about products and apps quite frequently, so if you don't want to miss any of that or any of me, go ahead and click that subscribe button or follow button wherever you're seeing this. Go ahead and do that for me. Let's check out this thing. And ba-boom! Here it is, guys. This is the iStar table speaker slash wireless charger. I'm pretty surprised I actually found something like this. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so on the box we can see that it has a built-in battery, although I don't even know why, because why would you need to make a table speaker portable? Whatever, I'll let you guys decide that. Digital audio, which, duh. It has LED indicators, so you know what you're doing. There's indication. LED indication to let you know what you're doing. It has aux cord plug-in, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, aux cable. Yeah, built-in microphone for phone calling. It has one 2.1 amp USB port and another USB port charging up at 1 amp. Alright, we can see here that it has a black walnut wood, a 6,600 milliamp battery, which goddamn, that is really impressive right there. Bluetooth 4.2, I think that's the newest that they're at right now. I don't know, they might be at 5 by now. I might be incorrect about that, who knows. Charges up in 4 hours, has a red LED for battery charging, blue for Bluetooth of course, and green for the aux. Alright, let's say we open it up, yeah? Come on. Okay, so not much to say, there's not much in the box. We have our table legs. Oh, that's pretty sturdy. Wow. Alright. We get 3 of them, so it stands up like a tripod. Here we have our power cord. Half of our power cord. Oh, here we go. Here's the other half of it, as well as the user manual. And they even include a nice little aux cord with metal tips. Right. Metal tips. Okay. So we got our power cords, we got our legs, we need the table. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. There we go. Ooh yeah, look at that baby, all wrapped in plastic. Ooh, am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm going to... That's not what I was planning, but okay, it's out. Wow. This is kind of bigger than I thought. Check that out. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's a big wheel of cheese. Okay, and right there you see your wireless charging marker. Pretty nifty. Engraved into the wood. It has this nice fabric finish. All nice to the touch. It makes it more of an aesthetic piece. Nicer furniture. I probably shouldn't be spinning it around. Don't do that at home. There's a nice cushion on here to absorb the pressure between the leg and the actual speaker. So, thoughtful thinking right there, guys. Alright, here, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of bright, so bear with me. Here is the power button, your play pause button, your volume down and previous song button, and your volume up and next song button. Those are all the buttons it comes with, besides the reset button on the back of it. On the back of it, you have a 2.1 amp USB charger, as I stated before, and the 1 amp USB charger, as well as the DC in port to charge it up or keep it plugged in, powered on consistently. There is your aux cord input and your itty bitty reset button. Before I forget to mention, this product is on Amazon currently for $130. I think that's pretty much a bargain for something as appealing as this. It looks good as furniture. Would you pay $130 for a table? No. So let's get into the features. So this beautiful piece of art, tech, and furniture crafted into one magnificent table charges up your device using wireless charging in about 5 to 6 hours, depending on your device, of course. Some devices charge faster, some charge slower, depending on your battery size and the quality of your QI capabilities. Now, the reason I say that your phone might charge faster than mine, I guess, is I'm currently using the LG V20. Of course, it cannot have wireless charging. It has a metal back, so good luck with that. So I'm currently using just this little wireless charging pad that I found on Amazon that I can plug into the bottom of a phone, throw it in a case, and good to go. I have wireless charging just like that. Now, last but not least, we need to get into the sound because, of course, this is a speaker, and from the looks of it, it gets 360-degree amplification. And boy, let me tell you, does this baby get loud, and it has pretty solid bass. Here it is at a quarter volume. Here it is at half volume. Here it is at 75% volume. So, not much else to say, folks. This speaker has blown me away. It is well worth its price, at least in my opinion. If you would rather not pay $130 for something of its caliber, feel free not to. But it's 3 uses in one. I have a bedside table now that will also charge my phone and bump my music. Pretty good combination of ideas, if you ask me. There is a link down below in the description for you to go to the page and get your own if you would like to do so, or just look at it. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you can be one of the first people to know when I upload videos, which I'm trying to do more consistently, at least once every week, and it would make my day if you click that red button down below. If it is red. If it's gray, then thank you already, and I love ya. I am on a goal to get to 200 subscribers. I'm currently under 50, so if you're watching this after I'm over 200, then do what you want, I guess. If you like this video, then drop a like down below. It helps. If you thought this was cool, if you've ever seen anything else like it, which I have not, please bring it to my attention. Tell me your thoughts about this. What else do you think it could do or should do? I'd love to reach out to the company and give some feedback on it. It appeals to my needs, but what would you like it to do? Or again, have you ever seen anything like it? go ahead and tell me down in the comments below. Again, everyone, thank you for showing up and sticking around to the end. And always stay positive.